I want 2 cheeseburgers. I want pickles and ketchup on them. And don't load it up a bunch of bullshit.
What the bull fucking hell? What the fuck?
In California, the mountain lion is something of a local celebrity. Elusive and mysterious, it's like a secret neighbor that's often talked about but seldom seen. Unfortunately, scientists have discovered that some populations are threatened. In this series, we will learn the keys to understanding these beautiful and essential animals and how we can coexist with this legend of California.
They call me Mad Jack, and if there's anybody in these mountains that knows the real story of James Adams, that'd be me. So I'm putting it down in writing, just the way it happened, in hopes of setting the record straight. Now, my friend Adams was accused of a crime he didn't commit, so he escaped into the mountains, leaving behind the only life that he ever knew. Now, that wilderness out there ain't no place for a greenhorn, and his chances of surviving were mighty slim. Weren't no time at all, for he was beaten down, ragged, and nearly starved. Long about then, he come upon a grizzly bear cub, all alone and helpless. Now, Adams knew that little critter couldn't survive without his help, so he started right down that cliff, risking his own life to save it. Now, that cub took to Adams right off, and that was when he discovered he had a special kind of way with animals. They just come right up to him like he was a natural part of the wilderness. But that bear cub, he was extra special. As he growed, he became the best friend Adams ever had, and together they became a legend.
There's a world where we don't have to run. There's a time we'll call our own, living free in harmony and majesty. Take me home, take me home, take me home, take me home.
What the fuck? No, 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 no! No! Yeah! Shit! You motherfuckers! Piss! You guys really pissed me off! I told both families get me off! Shit! I am pissed! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck your ass! This is bullshit! Bullshit! Dick! I have balls! Fuck you! You piece of shit! Motherfucker, I'll kick your ass! I'm not afraid of him. I'd like to punch him right in the stupid car! Shit! Bitch! Bitch! Ah!
Grab him by the pussy.
I'm pissed!
Oh, yeah! The Macho Man's gonna eat your ass! Oh, yeah!
This is absolute bullshit! And I will be contacting my insurance company, my lawyer, my dog shit! Fuck up! Fuck! Fuck you, you piece of shit! You know what? Fuck you people! Kiss my ass!
Gentlemen, eat shit!
I'm fucking pissed! Been sitting on my goddamn ass for over an hour! You dickheads can't speak English! I'll kick your ass! Piece of shit! Assholes! Holy shit! Bitch! Oh, fuck it! You can't do shit but your balls! I'm not afraid of shit! If she was a car, she'd be a four-door Ford whore! Bitch! I just don't give a shit! Holy shit! No, fuck you! Cock! Damn it! Bitch! Fuck! Round big balls! Fuck, fuck, fucking fuck, fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Shut up! Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, shit! My ass. 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 Shit. 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 Oh, damn. 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 Fuck. Fuck. Fuck you. There's a fly in here. Fuck. God damn it. Mortal dickhead.